Oh, really? Oh,
I changed it to purple.
okay.
Blue.
Okay.
Green.
Oh.
Welcome to another episode of Recording Play! So you guys right now my dad's fixing my bed. Yeah, and my bed is pink, and my dad fixes my TV too. Yeah, my dad fixes this is the TV, and this is the TV. And that's made this bed. Yeah, guys, I have a today, and this is my TV. What do you think we? And this is my dad's building my bed. But this is the bed cool.
And then my robot is fixing my bed, and also he's gonna fix my TV and ready to and this. I want to ready to go and then get to that bed. Yeah.
Saga home. What's the wicked? So guys, this is bed and this is TV and this is that and that's a fix my bed in pink and that is fixing this window and this is the fixing box and this is the TV and this is charger and the bed and this is gonna try a piece.
And also guys, this is my remote. I got it in my bed.
Yeah.
I can keep it. I can keep it. So guys, I can keep it.
What's next time?
Yeah, I think we did that one already. Tebo.
And then here we have the picture of my bed. This is the bed. And how this is the bed. My God, this is the bed. I could do that. That is me.
So guys, so far this is how it looks like. Hubby's just gonna put in the two other stuffs on the sides. Then we're gonna be putting in the mattress. This looks so good so far.
Me. I couldn't do that. I couldn't really do that. I changed it to purple,
Okay.
blue,
Okay.
green,
Okay.
turquoise,
Okay.
yellow, and red.
Ooh.
And then this makes it all the colors.
Wow.
I was just tired.
That looks good.
I was just tired this though.
How do you feel?
I was tired. Thank you, Daddy. I was tired. I was tired. No shame. This is my remote. I was tired. No.
So guys, this is the final look. This is how it looks like. If you like the bed and it's something that you want to get for your child, please click in the link in the bio or drop us a comment and let us know that you like it, and I will link you up with a discount by using our code. So yes guys, this is Chanel's room. Everything is set. Yeah, she has her closet, a very big one, and that she's still to arrange it. And yeah, we have the one and only baby Skyra. Skyra, come to yours. What do you need? You want to put your own light? Oh, Daddy has to pluck it for you. Daddy's busy. When he's done, Daddy's doing laundry. When he's done, he's going to pluck it up for you. So this is Kara's own room, guys. You want to go to your own room too? Okay, let's go to your room. You want yours to be beautiful too? Ta-da! So guys, this is the one and only baby Shane's room. You like it? Awesome. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the final look. Not like the final look though. Chanel still has some stuffs that are supposed to be put. She needs her bed cover, her table with a computer, and yeah.
And I already got my keyboard.
Yeah, she already got her keyboard. Computer is downstairs. She will be having her table set up on that area. And they all have the TV on the wall, just in case they want to have their me time. You just whoop and you get your me time. And Shane is actually having the smallest TV. I don't know why. Not really like small, but yeah. So this is the end result, guys. Shane is gonna be having his cupboard on this end. And yes, that's it.
And thanks for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day.
Mwah.
Peace.
Peace out. Guys, look at what Skyra is doing. What are you doing like that, Mama? You know this is not good, right? And we're going down to marinate some stuff. Thank you guys for watching.